if you're experiencing a transfer pending issue with your N26 account, follow these steps to resolve it quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause delays in processing transactions. Step 2. Review transaction details. Double-check the details of the pending transfer, including the recipient's account information and the amount. Ensure that everything is correct to avoid any issues. Step 3. Wait for processing time. Sometimes transfers may take longer than expected due to processing times. Wait for a few hours and check again to see if the status has changed. Step 4. Update the app. Make sure that your N26 app is up to date. An outdated version may cause functionality issues. Go to your app store and check for any available updates. Step 5. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the .com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to address the transfer pending issue effectively. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from customer support.